welcome back. I'm doing a fashion vid today. I came out to Colorado nearly 3 months ago. When I packed my suitcase, I had no idea how long I'd be gone, and also I definitely erred on the side of bringing comfier clothes as it was very much quarantine time. And it still is a good time to wear your mask with all of your outfits if you're out doing anything, depending on where you live. But I thought it'd be kind of fun / was requested for me to kind of show what I brought out here, and I've been definitely wearing essentially the same outfit every single day, but there's a lot I actually have to work with, so this will be good for me. I have yet to go thrifting. If you've been following me for a while, you know I like to thrift while I'm in Colorado because I always score big time. I think that I'm feeling confident enough maybe this week to go, so stay tuned for a thrift haul, some new little refresh on pieces. But yeah, I wanted to put together like a summary lookbook with what I have right now. Hopefully gives you some inspo, and also definitely is like some wardrobe basics. Oversized button downs and tank tops and things like that just kind of, you can mix and match pretty easily. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. Okay, well, we're gonna start with a D on D, some denim on denim. The short sleeve button down is very nice because it's not too hot. I like how long it is. It looks really nice with some little shorties as well. It's very versatile. I added a hat because I'm a dad. Next wave of this athleisure trend definitely is turning into running shorts from my calculations, which I really like. Super comfy. These are some thrifted vintage Patagonia shorts. I would wear this with a white frilly top if I had one here. Bike shorts are not gonna die for me anytime soon. The noteworthy part of this is this miniature baby denim jacket. Looks like it's not big enough for me, which you can tell by the cropped sleeves. Diane Keaton is my style inspo forever.
Gave him one hell of a fright. She said, "How don't you take me back?"
This is simple yet elegant. I added a nice scarf / rag to my carpenter pants here to mix some prints, which I think was a little something extra to make it less boring. This hat is amazing. It's custom made from Reagan. Check her Instagram out if you're interested in one. I was trying to get funky here. I tied up the long button down that I've been wearing endlessly into kind of like a little wrap shirt, if you will. Kind of a look, I think. When in doubt, I usually just throw on all of the same color. These pants, tee, and the overshirt are exactly the same color, luckily. This is such a beautiful vintage tee. I love it.
The sun's now dancing behind the hills, la da da da. Oh, she stumbled off all
I love cows and I love these pants. They're one of my favorite pairs of pants. I think they are very fun every time I put them on. This tee is also my all-time favorite vintage t-shirt. It's on its last leg, so I'm doing anything I can to keep it alive, but I also just can't stop wearing it.
take me back. Oh, don't you take me back?
I'm a funky camp counselor, hippie chick girl. I'm leaning into being in Colorado in this outfit. I wasn't sure if these prints would work together, but I actually do kind of like the tie-dye with the cow print. Sue me. I love these shorts so much. They are vintage Patagonia, oversized, you can belt them, and they are dyed by Morel Trading Co., which they dye with natural indigo dyes. Super cool. I've been wearing these non-stop. This top is a different story. I still can't figure out how to make it look good. Next one is relaxed yet chill, yet protects your scalp from the sun. I liked matching the exact blue of the scarf with the shorts, and this top is just very comfy, and the yellow blue, kind of cute, pretty casual. I'll say it again, pretty casual, not much to explain on this one either. I'm wishing to be as good as Zoe Kravitz in High Fidelity, which her baseline is always the graphic tee with the short sleeve button down opened up. This one I think is one of my favorite outfits to throw on now. It's a super lightweight navy button down. I unbuttoned it a little extra so it would drape off my shoulders ever so slightly, which is a little sexy. And the necktie doubles as a face mask, so you can't go wrong there. And now let's just do it with pants. You know, life is about balance. We have a sexy top with baggy bottoms. It's always the key to make sure you're not doing the most if you don't want to do the most. Again, sexy top, baggy bottoms, say it with me. This dress is just like is a cutie little simple dress that I decided to bring with me. I put on a striped button up, as I said, short sleeve button ups. I brought a lot of them, and then I added a checkered scarf in my hair just to, again, I like a nice mix of prints. This last one is my most worn outfit. I could paint a picture in this, I could go hiking in this, I could do almost anything. It's really comfy to have the long sleeve. I button it just once, so it's a little flowy, a little open to kind of compensate for how baggy it is, and then with these just very comfy shorts. Last one, you all know how to do this. It is a nice cut tank top. It's a little bit tight, but not super form-fitting, which I like. And a good pair of jeans is all you really need.
You guys enjoyed this one. Working with what I got here. No shoes because I only brought sneakers and Tevas to Colorado, so just picture all of these with Tevas on. I'll write in little suggestions otherwise. Hopefully you enjoyed. Give this a thumbs up if you did. Maybe subscribe if you want. And I will see you in the next one.